In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to combine shipping on eBay when a customer orders multiple items. So first head over to ebay.com and log into your account. Then next at the top left corner of the screen, hover your mouse on your name, then click on account settings. Next under the selling category, click on shipping preferences. And here you can see the combined shipping rules. All you have to do is click on the edit button beside it. Now from here, you have to choose the rule type. Choose the flat shipping rule for a charge, fixed amount for the first item, then a smaller amount for each additional item. And for the calculated shipping rule, this is when eBay calculates shipping based on total weight, but you can apply a percentage or dollar discount to extra items. Simply click on the pencil icon beside your chosen rule. Next is select rules for your chosen shipping for combined purchases. You can choose to add an amount for each additional item or subtract an amount for each additional item or also do not offer. Also set how the discount applies per additional item or by total order value. You can also choose to offer free shipping. Once done, click on the Save button. And once saved, these rules automatically apply when buyers add multiple items to their cart before checkout. No manual invoices needed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!